Hi, it's Alan here with Remove My Graffiti Inc. We're removing some graffiti here on this split face block retaining wall. It's a great day for it, overcast, perfect temperature, so we're going to app with our Graffiti Syrup product with a brush. We're going to just app it on, let it dwell, and then we're going to pressure wash it off. When you're apping, you just want to make sure that you get it in all the pores here. Now with split face, you want to be really careful that you're going into all the pores like I mentioned earlier. So, but even after you app everything, just go back and just make sure that you get right in there.